Hello, class. Welcome to week 5 of CIS610 Capstone Information Systems. Today, I, Nuno Alves Primo, and Naveen Manda are presenting on AI and machine learning in data analytics. I would like to start by describing the difference between AI, machine learning, and deep learning. So AI is a broad term that describes a system that can mimic a human's decision-making, learning, and problem-solving abilities. Artificial intelligence can be as simple as just a series of if-else statements. For example, if you like this movie, then you will like X movie. On the other hand, machine learning is a little bit more advanced, where you actually teach the system using data. So machine learning is a series of algorithms that allows the system to learn and gradually improve its performance. So in machine learning, you train the algorithm with data that you gather so that it can predict what the outcome will be. And the more data you give it and the more you train it, the lower the standard error will be. That is, the difference between the actual number and the predicted number will be. Deep learning is the most advanced level of artificial intelligence. That is, in deep learning, in deep learning it has a multi-level uh, algorithmic structure that creates neural networks. In deep learning, unlike machine learning, deep learning can learn from raw data and can train itself with very minimal human interaction, and it can solve problems that simple machine learning cannot. Examples of deep learning can be Alexa, Siri, and even Google Translate.
While using artificial intelligence to predict about the data, it is very important to have appropriate data, and the artificial intelligence model should be trained using that data. So the artificial intelligence training data starts with selection of most appropriate data set that contains enough fields to ensure that it trained artificial intelligence model effectively. After selection of the data and data sets, data cleaning and transformation of data activities will be performed. It is very important to create standard models of the data, and data is maintained without any errors. When the data is clean, it will be split into three different forms: training data set and test data set. Training dataset will be used to test the model that will be developed in the later stages, and test dataset will be used for the purpose of testing the data model that is developed using the training dataset. So when we test the trained model, the model that is developed, we usually generate different types of results. Most important among them are accuracy, confusion matrix, and precision. These three values helps us to understand the effectiveness of the artificial intelligence model that is created and its efficiency and accuracy in predicting about the situations.
My question for the week is AI truly better than humans? Humans have biases, and humans also train algorithms. That means that sometimes those biases are coded into the algorithm that then causes the system to have high standard error. An example of this is Broward County, Florida's courthouse system that ranks defendants as high risk or low risk to help judges decide if they should get bail or not. Uh, the system mislabeled African American defendants as high risk at twice the rate it did for white defendants. Now, um, actually, I added a TED talk by Dr. Fareed that actually reverse engineered that system that can help give you an idea of how that can happen. And I think that that would be beneficial for people in the class to actually see. And give me your thoughts of, is AI actually truly better? Is it possible to remove biases from algorithms? And how do we ensure that those biases aren't being added to the algorithms? Thank you very much.
While working on artificial intelligence and training data, I came to know about some of the important facts regarding the quality of the dataset that should be used as a part of analysis. So here my question is the quality of dataset selected have impact on artificial intelligence predictions? Thank you.